We have lost Honorable Ellen Nachimoli, the woman member of Parliament for Kalangala District, one of our most active, beloved leader in that area. It's very, very unfortunate. It was around 3 p.m. When she passed on after an unsuccessful operation. She passed on from Alexandra Medical Center along Yusuf Road, and now the body has been brought here at Mulago for a postmortem, after which the various reporters will sit on the burial arrangements. It's very, very unfortunate for the National Unity Platform. Like I said, she's one of the most active leaders we have, very jolly, very outgoing, extremely patriotic, extremely attached to the values which we stand for, the National Unity Platform. So we have lost a leader, and a young leader who had a great promise. So it's very, very unfortunate. It's very, very painful. We extend condolences to the people of Uganda who have been looking up to her, the members of NUP and everybody, members of Parliament, everybody who is of course touched by this tragedy. The family is still in shock because this was the most unexpected news at such a time.